Your legs are not weak because you're getting old. That's what everyone assumes. It's wrong. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the actual reason. The one almost nobody talks about. Why it's been getting worse every single year without you realizing it. And the exact 5-minute fix that's working for people decades older than you. If standing up from a chair takes a little push now, if stairs leave you out of breath, if you've started holding on to the railing just in case, stay with me. Because what I'm about to tell you changes everything about how you fix this. Let me guess. You used to get up out of a chair without even thinking about it. Now you push off the armrest. You used to walk a mile without stopping. Now 1 block and your legs are done. Maybe you've even started feeling scared, actually scared, that your legs won't catch you if you stumble. Here's someone who felt exactly that. Margaret, 71. 2 years ago, she stopped trusting her own legs on stairs. She told her daughter she felt 70 going on 90. She started this exact plan I'm about to give you. 6 weeks later, she texted her daughter one sentence. I carried the laundry basket up the stairs today without stopping. That's not luck. That's what happens when you fix the actual cause, instead of just accepting it. Here's the thing nobody tells you. This isn't just age. There is one specific named cause behind almost all of it. And once you know it, fixing it is a lot more straightforward than you'd think. So let's get into it. The #1 cause of weak legs after 60 has a name: sarcopenia. Say that word, because your doctor probably hasn't. It means age-related muscle loss. And here's the part that should genuinely surprise you. It starts at age 30. Not 60, 30. From there, you quietly lose 3 to 5% of your muscle every decade. But here's the twist. After 60, that loss speeds up, and it hits your legs first, harder than anywhere else in your body. Why your legs specifically? Because they're the muscles we stop challenging the earliest. And once that decline starts, 4 things quietly make it worse. And I bet at least one of these applies to you right now. First, less movement. Simple rule. Your body doesn't break. Use it or lose it. Second, not enough protein. Here's the irony. You actually need more protein after 60 than you did at 30. But most people's appetite drops right when their needs go up. Third, zero resistance training. Walking is great for your heart, but walking alone will not stop this. Your muscles need something to push against. There's a 4th one almost nobody mentions: your nervous system. The wiring between your brain and your legs weakens with age too, which is a big part of why balance feels shakier even before strength becomes the obvious problem. And here's a 5th piece that even some doctors skip over: inflammation. As we age, low-grade inflammation quietly builds up in the body, and it actively interferes with how your muscles repair and rebuild themselves. It's part of why the same workout that built muscle easily at 40 feels like it does less at 65. Your muscles aren't broken, they're just fighting a headwind nobody told you about. Stack all 5 of those together, and you get exactly what you're feeling right now. But here's the part that should genuinely excite you. Sarcopenia is one of the most reversible conditions in aging. Not slow, not maybe in a year. People see real change in 2 to 4 weeks, even people in their 80s and 90s. So let's fix it. 6 things, starting today. No gym required. #1, and this is the big one. Sit to stands. Sit in a sturdy chair. Lean forward. Stand up using your legs, not your hands. Sit back down slowly. 5 to 8 reps, once or twice a day. This one move rebuilds your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your balance all at once. #2, wall sits. Back against a wall. Slide down a few inches, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Hold 10 to 15 seconds. Zero impact on your knees, real strength gain. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I have bad knees, I can't do squats. Fair. Here's the adjustment. Only slide down an inch or two, just enough to feel your thighs engage. Nowhere near a deep bend. Strength comes from the muscle working, not from how low you go. Same with sit to stands. Use a higher, firmer chair if you need to. Number 3, protein. Spread across the day. Eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, or a shake. A common target for older adults is around 0.45 grams per pound of body weight, but check with your doctor for your number. Number 4, vitamin D. It directly affects muscle function, and deficiency is shockingly common if you're mostly indoors. One blood test tells you where you stand. Number 5, walk, but add a small incline when you can. A gentle hill, a ramp. It engages your legs in a way flat ground doesn't. And here's the one extra move almost nobody does. Stand near a counter. Hold lightly. Lift one foot a few seconds. Switch sides. 1 minute a day. That's it. That's rebuilding the brain-to-leg connection we talked about earlier. One more thing, and this one surprises people. Sleep. Your muscles do most of their actual repair while you sleep, not while you exercise. Skimping on sleep quietly undoes a chunk of the work you put in during the day. 7 hours is the number most doctors point to for recovery at this age. Now, quick myth check, because this stops more people than anything else. Myth: weak legs mean I should rest more. Backwards: rest is what accelerates the loss. Movement is the fix. Myth: strength training is risky at my age. Also backwards. Done right, starting light, like what I just showed you, it's one of the safest things you can do. Inactivity is the actual risk. Here's a bonus most people skip and shouldn't. Time yourself doing 10 sit-to-stands today. Just write the number down. Check it again in 2 weeks. That number dropping is proof, real proof, that this is working. And if you want a second way to track it, count how many stairs you can climb before you need a breather. Watch that number too. Both of them move in the same direction when this is working. So here's everything in 10 seconds. The cause: sarcopenia, made worse by inactivity, low protein, no resistance work, a weakening nerve connection, and inflammation. The fix: sit to stands, wall sits, protein, vitamin D, walking with incline, 1 minute of balance work, and real sleep. Consistency beats intensity every time. And yes, check with your doctor before starting anything new. If even one part of this hit home, do this right now, not later, right now. 5 sit-to-stands. Go. Tell me in the comments how many you got. I actually read them. And if someone in your life has been struggling with this exact thing, send them this video today. It might be the thing that changes their next 10 years, the same way it changed Margaret's. Subscribe, because next I'm breaking down the exact balance routine that prevents most falls after 60.